Your patent is protected from moment one by treaty law.
Because I've got a court date in August right here locally over my property rights. And I've done the land patent. I'm waiting for it to be finalized. On the 26th of next month, I can go and get the documents finalized so I can have my land patent at my house. And then I have my court date in August. How do I, because the local governments are corrupt, correct? Because they're corrupt, I could still lose in the local court when I go to court. How do I, because I don't want to pay that $350 fine that they're trying to, that the code enforcement is trying to charge me, where they have no jurisdiction on my property. I've got the stamp, I've got all that stuff ready to go, but my concern is I've never had good luck on the local level with the government. I've always lost. No matter what I go in there with, no matter what I say, I lose because of their eminent control. They think they have control of my property. And so I don't know how to combat that. I want to be empowered to do it, to be able to go and do it. But I'm not confident in my abilities to fight the local government, because they have a tendency to, no matter what you say, twist it and make you wrong.
Well, first of all, we're getting kind of ahead here, but you bring up a very interesting point, and I appreciate that. And that is the issue. You always want to challenge jurisdiction. And one of the things that he always said almost daily, always challenge jurisdiction. Now, the reason I bring that up in your particular case, the lower courts cannot hear a case having to do with a land patent. They have no authority to do that. The only court authorized to do this is United States Supreme Court. So when you have a court case and it has to do with your land, and you're under a land patent, and your land patent is effective the second day you posted that. But the second day that you have it posted on a thing, that patent is now in full force and effect. So what I'm hearing you say, I would challenge that court's jurisdiction to show where they have jurisdiction to rule on a patent, because we're going to get into all of that there today.